Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps on how to copy data from Google Drive to a PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tech tips. All right, let's get started. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Google account details and log in. Now locate the file or folder you want to download. Right-click on it, and from the options that appear, click on Download. If you're downloading multiple files, Drive will automatically compress them into a zip file before downloading. Step 2. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer on your PC. On the left-hand side, click on Downloads, and here you'll find your downloaded file or zip folder. If it's a zip file, right-click on it and select Extract All. Then choose a destination folder and click Extract. Your files will now be available and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you can easily copy data from Google Drive to your PC. Thanks for watching.